Understanding hammer on in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the English language to understand the phrase, hammer on. While it might sound like a construction term, it's actually more musical. Stay with us to find out more. Hammer on is composed of two words, hammer and on. Let's break them down. Hammer, a tool, typically made of metal, with a heavy head and a handle, used for tasks such as breaking things or driving in nails. On, referring to the continuation of an action or the placement of something. Together, they don't quite make a lot of sense in a regular English conversation. So, where is this term commonly used? In the realm of music, particularly when it comes to stringed instruments like guitars, hammer-on is a technique. Here's a simple explanation. A hammer-on is when a musician plucks a string and then, using another finger, presses down, or hammers on, a higher fret on the same string, creating a new note without plucking the string again. This action creates two notes in rapid succession, with the second note often being louder or more pronounced. It's like playing a note and then quickly pressing down hard on another note, making it sound without having to strike the string again. Now, you might wonder why it's called hammer-on in the first place. Well, the technique visually looks like you're hammering your finger onto the fretboard, and the action is quite forceful and swift, similar to how you'd hammer a nail into a piece of wood. And that's a wrap on the phrase, hammer on. English is a diverse language with many words and phrases borrowed from various fields, and it's always fascinating to uncover their origins and meanings. We hope you found this explainer helpful. Keep exploring the beauty of the English language, and we'll see you in our next video.